Hello all, welcome to EdrawMax. In this video, we are going to draw a two-way switch wiring diagram. In a two-way switch, there are two one-way switches combined in one. One of the terminals can be connected to either of the two, but not both at the same time. The advantage of a two-way switch is the ability to control a single device from two separate locations. Let's learn how to draw its wiring diagram. Go to Menu. Go to Basic Diagrams and click on the Electrical Engineering to create a new drawing area. This is the drawing area where we draw the wiring diagram of these two-way switches. On the left side, symbols libraries are given. You can find basic symbols from here. For this search switch for the wiring diagram, choose a switch symbol according to use. We can also use our custom symbols. To use the custom symbol, we are going to delete it and draw our custom symbol. You can easily make custom symbols from the above given tools. After completed the custom symbol, select all components of the symbol and group it. We can add this symbol in my library to use again. In again, just select the symbol and click on the plus icon to add in the library. To align two or more symbols, just select and go to the arrangement and align accordingly. Now insert the required symbols for this drawing. Now all symbols are inserted in the drawing area. To connect wire, go to Connector and select the connector. We will draw phase wire in the red color. So set the default setting from the default option. Now set default wire color. Setting black because we are going to draw neutral wire in the black color. Now our wiring diagram is completed. Now we need to write the name of all components. Now the two-way switch wiring diagram is completed. Let's learn how it works. This is the 220 AC source. And these are two numbers of two-way switches. And this is the bulb. Phase is coming in the red wire from the AC source. and neutral as came in black wire. If both two-way switches common terminal is connected with the same terminal name, then the bulb will be on. If the two-way switches are opposite from each other, then the bulb will be turned off. To export this drawing, go to File, go to Export and export it into PDF. And you can also export it into different formats according to your uses. You can directly email also. After export in PDF, our PDF as look like this. Thanks for watching.